Hey everyone, it's Jake Hall. I am here at the Bosch Rexroth booth with Terry Hershberger. Terry, how you doing today?
I'm doing great. Looking forward to a great show.
It's going to be an awesome show. And what are we featuring here at the show? There's a lot of cool technology. There's a lot of cool new products. What are you guys most proud of?
Yeah, the technology is changing, and this electrification world that we're introducing, this E-Lion, has been introduced, but we're launching it here. I'm looking so forward to it. Electronification, electrification, hydraulic solution, automation, AI, all of those things, machine learning, it's all here.
So when we're looking at this move to electrification, for so long you came to the show years ago, you see a lot of hydraulics as the front end, the front showcase, but that's not what we're seeing as much anymore. We're seeing electrification, we're walking down, we're seeing electro-hydraulic solutions, digital transformation, digital twins, automation. What does it mean to the industry when we're bringing electrification to new products and solutions?
Yeah, so the electrification side in general, being able to take whatever's on the front end side, whether it's a diesel engine, whether it's a battery, fuel cell technology, showcasing that as well, but electrification driving that side. Same solutions, torque on the output side, but then allowing it to drive from the electric side is just huge. We're helping customers transition with that. But we don't go away from the traditional solutions either, because we're also having product that's introduced here. I would say simplify the hardware side, but then we're also putting the know-how in the electronification world, which is taking that know-how about the pumps, motors, valves, putting it in the software, in the hardware, electronic hardware now on the machine. So that electronification journey as well.
So let's expand on that. When we're looking at the electronification, we're seeing a lot of cool screens and we're getting a lot more information. So in a sense, it's making the equipment smarter.
Yes.
Why does that matter to have better visualization and information on what our processes look like?
Yeah, so first of all, the automation world, right? So the feedback of information, closing the big loop around that, giving that information back. So we have like an easy grade type thing, or return to dig, or virtual walls that happen to be out there, that automation side. We have to have that information coming back. Great sensors, but then we also have big data. So big data collecting, you think telematics solutions, everybody's connected, updating your software out there. Those are all things we have to have that information that's there. Again, simplification of some hardware, meaning the hydraulic hardware, but then putting the know-how in the software side and being able to manipulate that to make the machine perform even better.
And data increases preventative maintenance, it helps you with productivity, it even helps you with safety, and a lot of times and having that ready.
Absolutely, that's a big clue for us. Functional safety is a big word that's really popular in Europe. And in the US, people are like, okay, I've done my risk analysis. But yeah, that's huge because safety is important. Inexperienced operators also.
Yeah.
So now we're also putting more of the know-how in the machine to make that much better.
Awesome. Terry, thanks for your time today.
All right, you're welcome.